white sauce, chicken and broccoli. Our list of ingredients we'll be using today. All right, tonight's meal, I'm not sure how long it's going to take us. I am going to make a white sauce. I am going to turn this back burner on for my noodles first. I am going to use the wider noodles for it. Back to the white sauce. We're going to make it just basic white sauce for it. I'm not sure how thick I'm going to get it. I'm going to play it out by ear as we go. We have everything prepped, ready as a run. Since this is going to be the more delicate thing to do, I'm going to get it started now, but I want that water running. I have a little bit of oil in my wok for my chicken, so I'm going to fry it a little bit. Get a little bit of that extra flavor and crunch to it. I have the water on with my salt in the back for my noodles. And I'm going to try to get all this moving here. All right, now that I got my butter melted, I'm going to add my flour. Okay, so this is mixed in. It looks like all the flour has been broke down. I'm gonna get a little bit more than that because I did have a little bit more extra butter than it normally call for. Now I'm going to throw my salt and pepper in. I just got them both mixed together. At this point, I'm going to start putting my milk in. If I thought about it, I would have picked up some cheese and add some cheese in with it. But I wasn't thinking when I was shopping. I really don't have any cheese that I can melt down in it that would actually turn out right. So we are just going to go with this. I am going to reach over here, throw these noodles in, because I forgot to get them started. That's all the noodles. So my biggest thing right now is getting this stuff done. The broccoli. I'm gonna mix in with the chicken. I already chopped that up small. I really wanted it to be little pieces in it, and that's actually what I got. So that's gonna be thrown in with the chicken after chicken's done. Close to the time chicken's done, because that won't take much to cook either. And at that point, we're gonna do all of it in one pot after that. The noodles will get mixed in, and then the sauce will be poured onto it. And that's what we'll end up plating that way. Hang out, watch it for a minute. Okay, noodles are definitely getting there. They're loosening up nice. I'm gonna actually have to turn them down. The oil's getting hot. I'm going to season the chicken as I cook it. Nothing's been pre-seasoned. And in fact, those noodles, I'm going to definitely turn down. Turn them way down. And in a second here, I'm going to throw the chicken in. We're just going to use salt and pepper again to season it, just like we did with our white sauce. And I don't have a ton of oil in here, but it's definitely going to be enough what I need. since I dropped a little piece of broccoli in there, just dancing around so I know it's hot. We'll go ahead and dump all this in. Okay, I just want to get that started. Now that it's started, I'm going to go ahead and stir some salt, some pepper. I don't know why I grabbed these little ones for this. So I'm going to get a lot of pepper on there. I'm just going to take this top off and shake some in. I can definitely start smelling that salt and pepper with it, along with that oil. It's got that nice smell to it. Just some basic, simple ingredients, and how good it can smell. Okay, I'm gonna check my noodles. I'm actually going to take one out and check it. These look great, but it can fool you. Ah, come on now. Okay, I know it wasn't a full piece, but it's done. We're going to leave it just like that. We're going to take our broccoli, throw the whole thing in. I'm going to turn, you know what, I'm just going to turn it off. This looks like it's done. I am going to take this and drain it. Okay, I got the noodles drained. Chicken broccoli is done. My sauce, I'm going to bring back over to the heat. Get it going. It's starting to dry up on me. I think I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit more milk in there since I'm going to heat it back up. The consistency of this is pretty much however you want it. It could be real runny, it could be real thick, it's anywhere in between. And this is still kind of thick, which I think I'm going to want to run with. And now I'm going to lose a little bit more moisture now as it heats. A little bit more milk. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. And by the looks of it, it's done. I'm going to take the noodles. I'm just going to pour them right into the wok. You may want to do that with a fork, but that's all right. While it's in here, I'm mixing it. I'm probably going to chop some of these noodles. Like I said, I should have done that before I put it in. Just wasn't thinking. And now I'm going to take my cream. I'm sorry, my white sauce. And I'm just going to pour it over it. Scrape as much as I can to use it all. Don't want any of that to go to waste. Now I'll get this all mixed up. If you don't like broccoli, you can leave it out. You can always do a side of something. Also, you don't have to do it all as one. You can do the noodles on the side, maybe coat the noodles, and or maybe cook the chicken and add the noodles to it, however you want it. Any way would be fine. It all comes down to taste and preference. Here's our final meal. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, let me know what you think, even if you don't like it. Thank you.